Now we are starting question number 5 of this topic of transformation for P1 in the trigonometric form. In the diagram, the lower curve of the equation has y is equal to cos theta. The upper curve shows the result of applying a combination of transformation to y is equal to cos theta. Find in terms of the cosine function the equation of the upper curve. Since these are the two graphs as shown in the diagram in terms of the cos function, and the lower curve is our original function and upper curve is going to be derived from this lower function. We have seen it in this problem that every value of this lower function is half of that value in the upper curve, because the lower curve is going to be drawn between, is going to make one cycle up till 2 pi, and again it is going to make one cycle up till 2 pi. That means what? The lower function has two circles in that 0 to 4 pi, whereas the upper circle is going to make one cycle from 0 to 4 pi. So if we draw the graph of general function y is equal to cos theta, then it would be like this, that from 1 till -1 up till 2 pi, this is the original function of the cos function, which is going to make one cycle up till 2 pi there. And now in this case, the second lower curve, this is the upper curve, is equal to same graph there, but it is going to make two cycles up till 4 pi. So we have seen it there that the upper curve, which is going to be derived from this lower curve, has one cycle and lower curve has two cycles. So the first property is there, that y1 is equal to cos function is half of that value there. So if it is cos of half theta, then the graph of this function would be like this. So instead of 4 pi, it should be like this. So this is the upper part of this curve with the help of this first equation of that property there. That every value of this angle is going to be half of the previous values. So one cycle will be completed from 0 till 2 pi, 4 pi. Now the second part. Since the amplitude of this upper curve is going to lie between 5 and 1 there. So we know that for this amplitude, is, let's say, A, it is the highest value minus the lowest value divided by 2. The highest value for this upper curve is 5 and the lowest value for this lower upper curve is 1. So you can have this amplitude 5 minus 1 over 2, that is equal to 2. So we can make the second form of this function for this upper curve, that let's say it is y2, that is 2 cos of half theta. And the same graph will become from this function like this. It is up till 4 pi 0. This is 2 and this is -2 for this function of y2 is equal to 2 cos of half theta there. Now this graph is being shifted. The original function is going to be from 5 till 1. So it means 3 units it has been shifted upward there. So this value will become, instead of 2, it is going to be 5. Instead of minus 2, it is going to be 1. And the graph of this function would be like this, which is the final form of this upper curve of this transformation there. So you have seen it there that it is 3 units being moved upward. Moved or translated upward. So if we have to write down the final equation of this upper curve, then y equal to 2 cos of half theta plus 3. And if we use the concept of this transformation, we can have like this: y is equal to a cos of b theta plus c, where a value is 2 there, b value is equal to half, and c value is equal to 3. So this is the complete solution of this problem when the upper curve is going to be translated from this lower curve in the form of the transformation by using the combined properties. Then it would be equal to 2 cos of half theta plus 3.